Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zara B and this is my world. Welcome back guys. Today is a special video. It's a part 2 of the last video, so if you haven't watched it, please go back and watch it and then you'll understand this video a bit more. If you're new today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I am the owner of Khalik Park Urban Apparel, which is Muslim streetwear. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm wearing the first sample from the first manufacturer. I've used 3 manufacturers at the moment and I think I'm gonna go with the third and final manufacturer. Okay, so with the first product, as you can see, it's quite large and it's quite long and the fit is very loose. Now the first thing that I wanted to point out was they didn't follow the technical pack at all, so they didn't follow my measurements, they just followed their own measurements, which was wrong. I decided not to use them. This sample cost £110 off of Alibaba.com and you pay for it through PayPal, so you're having no sort of security issues with payments or anything like that. So this is the first sample. As you can see, I'm not really feeling it because it's supposed to be a slim fit product and the sleeves are way too long, it's way too loose and baggy and it's just not the right fit. The logo colour, the mint, I love it. As you can see the back as well, if I can just, show you guys the back. All well and good, but it's not the right sizing, so we are scrapping the first manufacturers. They were no good. Communication was absolutely excellent, but unfortunately understanding wasn't there. Like, calm down, slow down. I know you've got a customer, but you also need to understand exactly what the customer wants. So moving on to the next manufacturer, number 2, which was good, but unfortunately they included cuffs on the sleeve and on the hem. Now this product doesn't come with a cuff, so that wasn't, I tried it on and I don't like the way it fits, but this sample was £202, including delivery as well. I didn't have to pay again for the neck labels because I got them to do it. The second manufacturer that did this did the neck labels, which was £70 for 1,000 pieces. So I got that done. I like the colour of the mint and everything. The fit was perfect, but unfortunately I don't want this product to have any kind of cuffs or ribbed hem or anything like that. So this is number 2 from the second manufacturer and it was £203 for the sample. The next sample, which was what I'm really happy with. Now this one is exactly what I want. There's no or anything, it's just a easy flowing shirt. It's a slim fit fashion shirt, so you can see how slim it is. Everything is nice. The colour, the printing, everything is exactly what I want. Now this one was £120, so it was quite cheaper. So I'm gonna go with the final manufacturer, which is this one. Their bulk order is quite good, so I'm able to go through with it because I'm looking to do 2 colours, so with the black and dark cream. So when it comes to manufacturing and getting your samples done using Alibaba.com, you need to understand your GSM, which is grams per square meter. With your GSM, it's how light and heavy your garment is going to be. With this garment here, the product that I'm going to make, it's 220 GSM, so it's like a kind of the beginning stages of a heavyweight long sleeve tee. It's not, once you start hitting past the 220 GSM, that's when you really get a heavier weight. But the 180 and upwards is a lightweight GSM weight for the fabric material. So you need to understand, do you want a lightweight t-shirt, something in the middle, or something heavyweight? All this information will go down into your technical pack. In the next video, God willing, I'm going to do like a breakdown that you need to do your technical pack and send to your manufacturers. Now, I'm happy with the sample stage. It's been a journey. It's not like I've not experienced it before. I'm doing it in a stage where I'm dealing with a few manufacturers in one go. So it's nice that I've got a bit more funds to be able to play around with, just to get the sample stage out of the way, and then the production stage will come through, which takes a little bit of time. You have to make sure you're doing your due diligence with the factory that you're working with, and making sure you're asking them the right questions and allowing them to take videos of the process every stage of the way. And again, when it comes to payments as well for your production, make sure you're doing it in 3 sections. If I were you, I would pay them in 3 parts. So the first part is going to be to start the production. The second part is when they're into the production and everything's being wrapped up. And the last part is when they're about to deliver it. So I would say you pay them in 3 stages, and you discuss that obviously with them before they start the production, so you know that everything is secure and set in stone. So again, you need to understand your GSM, your grams per square meter, the weight of your product, and exactly how you want it to be made. So make sure you're doing your measurements properly. From whatever section to whatever section, you're making sure that the measurement is exactly what you want. If you are fully unsure, I would say purchase a product similar to the one that you have your measurements for, and send it off together with your tech pack to your manufacturer, so that they can understand exactly what you're looking for. If not, you know, take enough pictures, take videos, do your explanations properly, and then you get through it. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comment section below. If I've missed out on anything, let me know. But today's video was simply to show the samples of what I sent to my manufacturers versus what I got back. Just to, you know, do a recap, the first manufacturer, £110 sample. I wasn't happy because they didn't do exactly what they were supposed to do. Went on to the second manufacturer. They did a good job, but they added things that they weren't supposed to add, and the price for their bulk order for the production was way above what China or anywhere else should be offering, when you know it's not supposed to be that price. So we left that sample and moved on to the final sample, which I love. The price point is perfect. I can definitely work with that because I want 2 colors of the product. It comes with a cap as well, and hopefully I'm going to be making some cargo pants or some just comfortable, nice flowy pants that will go with the long sleeve. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow. Just click the like button, click the subscribe button, and make me happy. Like, put that smile on my face, turn that frown upside down. Yeah, but yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. The next video we're going to be talking about the technical pack, like I said earlier. But yeah guys, peace out.